There is no driver.
Hi everybody and welcome to Raimondo Lee Motors.
No driver.
So today we're going to be taking you on a little ride on the monorail at Birmingham International Airport. And on this section of the journey it is taking us to the NEC and the train station. The train station is basically at the start of the NEC. So if you're actually going to and from Birmingham, it's very simple to get to Birmingham Airport using this monorail. And the best thing about the monorail is it's totally free. So if you are stopping at one of the nearby hotels for Birmingham Airport and you want some food but you don't want to eat at the hotel, for example, you can get this free monorail to the NEC and then have a walk to Resorts World. So I'll just let you enjoy the rest of it. Please remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, that'd be absolutely awesome. Thank you.
It walks a bit, you have to go down there somewhere for a walk, I think. Or there.
Please hold on. We are stopping. You are arriving at Birmingham Airport Station. For rail, local bus services and the NEC, please follow the appropriate signs. Doors opening.
Oh yeah. Well, it's quieter.
That's okay, though. This is okay. That's location on this. There. That one's okay. No, this.
Well, it's right next to it, isn't it?
Yeah.